Today, we have something truly exciting lined up for you, the unboxing and first look at the Nokia Magic Max smartphone. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's get started. Alright, folks, let's dive straight into the unboxing of the Nokia Magic Max 2023. As we open the box, the first thing that catches our eye is the sleek and stylish design of the smartphone itself. Now, let's talk about what's inside. Alongside the smartphone, we have some essential accessories that Nokia has bundled with the device. First up, we have the fast charger. This isn't your average charger, folks, with an impressive 44 volts. This charger ensures lightning-fast charging speeds for your Nokia Magic Max 2023. But that's not all. Nokia has also equipped this smartphone with a powerhouse of a battery, a whopping 65,000 mAh polymer battery. Say goodbye to battery anxiety, as this beast will keep you powered throughout the day. And beyond, next, we have the charging cable. Nokia has included a Type A to Type C charging cable, approximately 1 meter long, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and convenient charging. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the Nokia Magic Max 2023 apart: its impressive design and camera setup. Take a look at the back of the smartphone. Nokia has opted for a sleek glass back, adding a touch of elegance to the device. But what truly steals the show is the triple camera setup, featuring a 2MP primary camera, a 6.4MP secondary camera, and a 4.8MP tertiary camera. The Nokia Magic Max 2023 promises to deliver stunning photos and videos in any lighting conditions. But that's not all. Nokia has also included sensors and a small LED display on the back for notifications, adding to the overall functionality and convenience of the device. And there you have it, folks, of the unboxing and first look at the Nokia Magic Max 2023 smartphone. With its impressive features, sleek design, and powerful camera setup, this smartphone is sure to make waves in the tech world. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on the Nokia Magic Max. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting tech content.